Crank it up, boys.
Born and raised in old Kentucky, I ain't got a lot of money, but we make the best of what we have. And boy, really ain't all that bad. You got people up in your face judging you by the cash or the place you live. Isn't that sad? Around here it don't faze us a bit. Honestly, we don't give a shit. We're rebel-hearted, country soul. My Chevy gets me where I wanna go. I got my jacked up Scottsdale, rev it up and give her hell. But now Mother Lane, Mickey Thompson 38. This is who I am. This is who we are. Don't need no fancy clothes, don't need no fancy cars. Out here we're doing alright, living our southern life. Well, my dear, the perfect place is out there on the old Clark's riverbank with my scope can, my riding reel, catching cats and bass and some loogie all day long, all day long. Headed off to the stand in my Honda 400. Now climb on up, yeah, let's get started. Load up the Remix F3006, gonna get our supper out here in the sticks, yeah. The cost of living's really high, but out here living off the land we're fine.
Upchurch, where the golden fields of hay are the perfect getaway. When you're living deep in Dixie in a sleepy little place, where the co-op breeds the chickens and the chickens lay the eggs, and the callus on our hands keep the roof above our head. We get attention from them vixens for revving up daddy's engine, and then you're busting the speakers up and jamming on the weekend. We might get a little wild where the blacks are brand, but we're still with damn good people and some close ass friends. Yeah, it's a simple kind of living, boy, we don't need much. We grab life by the horns, drag the bull in the mud. So brother, don't bother me and I'll just mind my own. Yeah, that's how we all roll in the place I call home.
Cause we're rebel-hearted, country soul. My Chevy gets me where I wanna go. I got my jacked up Scottsdale, rev it up and give her hell. But now by the lake, Mickey Thompson 38. And this is who I am, and this is who